Welcome to Red Zed Adventures here in East Dover, Nova Scotia. Beautiful coastal homes as far as the eye can see. We're traveling today on Route 333, stopping in West Dover now. Harper, our co-host there, making friends wherever she goes. Harper the Cavalier can be followed on Instagram at Guinness Harp 2019, Guinness Harp 2019. She could be your friend too. Friendly local people and more amazing Nova Scotia scenery than you could shake a stick at. Here in the foreground we have Seal Rock, which is kind of pretty. And as we slide by, now you're looking at Privateer Island, completely unblemished and undeveloped, although it is subdivided, so maybe somebody one day will be lucky enough to have a home on this secluded island. Right now, it's just nothing but beautiful spruce and birch trees and great.
A few moments later.
The channel I've got is called Red Zed Adventure. So this is the adventure part.
An hour later. Day 2.
Well, I'm a little out of breath, so excuse me. But this is the view from the crash site, and now coming down, this is the crash site itself, and over there at the base of that tree down there, that's where she came to rest. And look at that, just picked it up. At first glance, everything seems to be intact. I'm not going to try and power her up and put her to the test till I get out of this mess, because as you can see, there's no trail up here. This is just an uninhabited island in the bay by Dover. That's West Dover, Nova Scotia. And this is Privateer Island. Isn't it picturesque? Because we found our treasure, boys. Arr! That probably sounds stupid and I'll have to edit it, but we found the treasure. We found the Mavic Mini. Second trip to the island, well, third trip to the island, second day looking. But thanks to the people at the Mavic forum and their invaluable assistance, I was directed a little closer to her spot and found her. Woohoo! It's a happy day, boys and girls. Happy day.